Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you'll be fine and taking good care of yourselves. So today we are going to start our new section, that is outline stories. As you know that in previous videos we have completed our comprehensions and now we are heading towards the outline stories. We are doing the first outline stories in which you are given some outlines on the present tense. Now you have to compile a story out of those outlines and transforming the outlines into the past tense, because we always write the story in past tense. Those lines are just hints for you how you have to create or build up a story. Now Greedy Dog is a story that is not new for us, although the title is not given in the book, but by reading the story, we can easily suggest that the title of the story would be The Greedy Dog, because you have been reading or you have been writing the story since your childhood. So let's get started with the complete story, and you may see that we have picked up the outlines from the text of the outlines. So let's get started with the reading. Once there lived a greedy dog in a certain town. एक कस्बे में एक लालची कुत्ता रहा करता था. He stole a piece of meat from a butcher's shop. उसने कसाब की दुकान से गोश्त का एक टुकड़ा चुराया था. And ran away, और भाग गया. He wanted to eat it alone. वो उसे अकेला खाना चाहता था. So he decides to go away from the town. तो उसने फ़ैसला किया कि वो कस्बे से दूर चला जाए. On the way he had to cross a stream by bridge. रास्ते में उसको एक नदी पार करना थी पुल के ज़रिए. The water was calm and clear. पानी बहुत शफाफ और पुरसुकून था, यानी हिल नहीं रहा था या मूव नहीं कर रहा था. The dog saw his reflection in the water. पानी इतना साफ था कि कुत्ता अपना अक्स पानी में देख सकता था. He thought as if there was another dog with a larger piece of meat in his mouth. Now it's a natural phenomena, when you see your reflection in the water, it looks bigger than that of your original one. So he thought that कि शायद वहाँ पे कोई और कुत्ता है जिसके पास उससे बड़ा पीस है मीट का उसके माउथ में या उसके मुंह में. He was very greedy. वो बहुत लालची था, क्योंकि अगर वो लालची ना होता तो वो वहाँ से चला जाता. He decided to get that piece of meat also. उसने चाहा कि वो टुकड़ा भी हासिल कर ले. Without wasting any time, he barked at it. एक थोड़ा सा भी वक्त ज़ाया किए बग़ैर वो उस पर भौंका. As he opened the mouth, his own piece fell into the water. जैसे ही उसने मुंह खोला, उसका अपना टुकड़ा भी पानी में गिर गया. Thus, instead of getting another piece of meat, बस एक और टुकड़ा हासिल करने की बजाय he lost his own piece. उसने अपना टुकड़ा भी खो दिया. So the moral is clear, dear students. Greed is curse. लालच पे लानत है. So the story and its formation is pretty much easy. You can understand it. So it is not difficult for you to make story from outlines. So that is it for today, students. So tomorrow inshallah we'll be resuming our lesson with the next story. So till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.